Here at the Quakertown Garden Walk, it's easy to focus on its beauty. But behind it all, there's work happening every day by Parks landscape employees.
I operate heavy equipment whenever my crew needs it, but most of my time is on the garden walk caring for the flowers and things.
We tend to all the plants around here, making sure everything is fine. We will also blow off the pavements to make sure that the paths are clear and clean for people who can come by and see everything.
And for the two of them, this stretch of green isn't just a part of their job. It's where they get to spend most of their time up close with nature.
You would think that with many people coming through the park, it'd be more noisy and stuff. It's very peaceful.
It's really a privilege to be able to just spend my time in a way that people see, people can come and enjoy, and that also helps me personally, just being outside.
Watching the plants grow and seeing others stop to appreciate them, they say, is the most rewarding part of the job.
Oh, wow.
We get people come in and asking us questions all the time about, what's this plant? How do I get that? How do I put that in my yard? But I talk to park enjoyers all the time that come through and just love to take a look. It always makes me feel good.
I am here to take photographs of all the beautiful flowers because taking photographs of flowers is such a passion of mine, and there's so many beautiful ones here, and it's just a perfect opportunity with all the varieties and the colors, and yes, absolutely gorgeous.
I think more people should come enjoy it. I think that we get a lot of people downtown, and that's great. This is just a short walk from there if you just want to come take a stroll down and take a look at the flowers.
So Earth Day may come and go, but here the care behind every bloom endures. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.